We had another one who was a small tractor manufacturer. He had orders through Tractor Supply, and he eventually ended up selling to Lowe's and Home Depot. They had given him POs to purchase his tractors, but he didn't have all the money needed to actually get it manufactured and shipped over here. But we helped him go from manufacturing to assembly to delivery, again with PO financing that transferred over into AR financing once it was delivered. So we can help people at any stage. So